Good morning, friends. First lecture, we are discussing about this Gauss elimination method. In the Gauss elimination method, we make a upper triangular matrix from the given system of equation. So let us see example how to solve solve the unknown variables by using the Gauss elimination method. Example, solve the system of equation 3x plus y minus z is equal to 3, 2x minus 8y plus z is equal to minus 5, x minus 2y plus 9z is equal to 8. Using Gauss elimination method. Here written using Gauss elimination method. But in the university exam, this question asked this way, like solve the system of equation and given three equation, but not written there using the Gauss elimination method. So we can, these three system of equation can be solved by using the any method. But whenever given using the Gauss elimination method, so this type of this system of equation can be solved only using the Gauss elimination method. So in the Gauss elimination method, we make a matrix form. From the given equation, from the given system of equation. A is equal to coefficient of these variables x, y, z. X, coefficient of the x3, 1 plus 1 and minus 1. 2 minus 8 and plus 1. Coefficient of this x, y, z, 1, here minus 2 and plus 9. X is equal to, there are three unknown variables which is find by using this method, x, y and z, three unknown variables, and b is equal to 3 minus 5 and 8, 3 minus 5 and 8. So we can written in the matrix form Ax is equal to b from this type of system of equation. Ax is equal to b, Ax is equal to b. First row and first column, second row, first column, third row, first column. So this make this type of equation. Now augmented matrix Ax is equal to b. Here we have augmented matrix. Augmented matrix A augmented B. So this can be written like this: 3 1 minus 1, 2 minus 8 1, 2 minus 1 minus 2 9, augmented B. A, that means this matrix, B, that means 3 minus 5 and 8. This is a augmented matrix. In this matrix, we try to make this matrix are transforming into upper triangular matrix because of we using the Gauss elimination method. So in the Gauss elimination method, this matrix are transforming into upper triangular matrix. So first of all, now we try to make a upper triangular matrix. So this first one is not 0, so this is a pivot. 3 is pivot. So we make a upper triangular matrix, that means these elements below these leading diagonal elements are 0. This one and this one. Try to make these elements are 0. So we have to use the row elementary operation, because of you can use any row operation, first row, second row, or third row. So first row, this is not 0, so this, by using this row, these elements make a 0 and these elements make a 0. So every element, first row of the every element, so what is the value, which value are multiplied by this row and adding into this and adding into second row. So 3, here the elements are 3. These elements, first one element, this is pivot, first row, each element of this first row are multiplied by minus 2 by 3. So 3, here 3 and multiply by minus 2 by 3, that means 3 and 3 cancel, so remaining minus 2, adding are here positive 2 and minus 2 are adding here 2 minus 2, that means 0. So first row, each element of the first row are multiplying by minus 2 by 3. That means here minus 2 and minus 2 are adding in this second row. So these elements are make a 0. So we can write this operation R1. That means element of this first row. Each and every elements are first row, each and every element of the first row are multiplied by minus 2 by 3 and add into another second R2 row. So these elements, so this matrix can be written like this. No changes in the first row, changes in the second row. So what are the changes? First, the minus 2 by 3 are multiplying the every element of the first row. 3 into minus 2 by 3, that means minus 2, add into second row, 2 minus 2, 0. Here minus 8 and 1 into minus 2 by 3, minus 8, and here adding minus 2 by 3, 1 into minus 2 by 3, here add minus 2 by 3. Here 1 and adding value of minus 2 by 3, minus 1 into minus 2 by 3, that means plus 2 by 3. Same as these elements also make a 0, because of we try to make a upper triangular matrix, so these elements are also 0. So each and every element of the first row are, these elements make a 0, so what are the value which is multiplied in the first row? So minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3, 3 cancel, remaining minus 1. These minus 1 value are adding into third row. In third row, so 1 positive 1 can be there and minus 1 will be added. So 0, 1 minus 1, that means 0. So every element of the first row can be multiplied by the minus 1 by 3 and adding into R3. And adding into R3, that means changes in the third row. So 3 into minus 1 by 3, that means minus 1 can be there and adding in third row, so 0. 1 into minus 1 by 3, that means minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 here and minus 1 by 3 will be added. Minus 1 by 3 will be added. 9 here and minus 1 and minus 1 by 3, that means plus 1 by 3 can be added. Here 3, second row will be changes, that means minus 5 will minus 5 there and 3, first row, second row, in the second row will be changes, first row minus 2 by 3. Here 3 into minus 2 by 3, that means 3 cancel, minus 2 will be there, minus 5 and minus 2 will be added, so minus 2. Here 8 and third row, R1 that means the first row 3 into minus 1 by 3, 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel, minus 1 will be added into third row. Minus 1 will be added into third row. So this type of these values are there. So first row 3 1 minus 1, no changes in first row. Second row will be changed and third row will be changed. So 0 minus LCM minus 24 minus 26 upon 3. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Here 0 minus 3 to minus 6 minus 7 by 3. 3 9 into 3 27 plus 8 28 by 3. Here minus 7 and 8 minus 1 plus 7. So now these two elements are 0. We can make a upper triangular matrix, so these elements can be also 0. So here minus 7 by 3 there. Minus 7 by 3 elements are there. In this element plus 7 by 3 are added, so these elements can be 0. So plus 7 by 3 value are added into third row. So this now minus 26 upon 3 are 5. So what are the value are multiplying of minus 20 by 6, minus 26 upon 3 and adding into third row. So minus 20 by 6 minus 26 by 3 into 7 by 26. This value can be multiplied by this value. So 26 cancel. Minus 7 by 3 can be remaining. This minus 7 by 3 will be added in this. So this is not 0. So minus 7 by 26. This minus 26 by 3 into minus 7 by 26. Minus minus plus. So 7 by 3 will be added there. So this element can be 0. So 0, 0 and 0. That means we make a upper triangular matrix. So minus 7 by 26. So multiplying by this element, operation are like this. Changes in this third row and R2 second row. Each and every element of the second row are multiplied by minus 7 by 26. So no changes in the first row, no changes in the second row, but changes in the third row. So what are the changes? Each and every element of the R2 second row are multiplying by minus 26 by 2. 0 into minus 20 by 6, 0 will be added there. 0 plus 0, that means 0. Minus 7 by 3 and minus 26 by 3 into minus 7 by 26, that means added. Plus minus minus plus 26 cancel, plus 7 by 3 will be added there. 28 by 3 there and will be added 5 upon 3 into 5 upon 3 into minus 7 by 26 minus 35 upon 78. So this means minus here minus 7 into 5 35 upon 78. 3 minus 7 will be there 7 minus 7 into second row. Each element of the second row are multiplied by minus 7 by 26. That means minus minus plus 7 into 7 49 upon 26 will be added there. 7 plus 49 upon 26. 49 upon 26 will be added there. So this is our. So this one like this matrix can be written there. 3 1 minus 1 0 minus 26 upon 3 5 upon 3, that is 0 the 0 and LCM 78 to 693 upon solution of this equation. 693 this expression 693 upon 78. 3 minus 7 this one, and expression of this solution is 231 by 26. So this is the, from this equation, this matrix is the, from this equation 1, from this equation 1, this is an upper triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. So we get this matrix A x, that means x, y, z, and this matrix can be B. So 3 1 minus 1, this matrix like this, 3 1 minus 1, 0 minus 26 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 0 0, 693 upon 78 A, that, and another matrix x, y, z, and is equal to 3 minus 7, 231 upon 26. So Ax is equal to B like this. Thus equation of this like system of equation 3x plus y minus z is equal to 3. Second one equation, 0 into x, that means 0, minus 26 upon 3y plus 5 upon 3z is equal to minus 7. This number equation 3. 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 693 upon 78 into z is equal to 231 upon 26. This is equation number 4. So we can now simple we can get the value of unknowns z. So z is equal to 231 multiply 78 upon 693 divide 26 into 693, 26 into 3, 231 into 3 at least 6, that means 693 upon 693. So 693 upon 693, that means 1. So z is equal to 1. Put this value in the, put this value in the equation number 3. This value in the equation number 3. So minus 26 upon 3y plus 5 upon 3 z, z is equal to 1, 1 is equal to minus 7. So minus 26 by 3y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 26 3y is equal to minus 7. These terms are right hand side. So minus 5 upon 3 minus 26 3 into y minus 7 by 3, so minus 21 minus 1, that means minus 21 minus 5 minus 20, therefore minus 26 by 3, 26 by 3 cancel. So y is equal to also 1, z is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Put the value of y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1, equation number 2. Equation number 2, that means y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 cancel. So 3x is equal to 3, 3x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 1. So here we can solve the unknown variables x, y and z by using the Gauss elimination method. In the Gauss elimination method, first of all we try to make a matrix form by using this system of equation, and we have a augmented matrix A and B. Augmented matrix. In this augmented matrix we try to make a upper triangular matrix by using the row elementary operation. Only use a row elementary operation. So we perform this type of the row operation in this matrix, and we make a upper triangular matrix. Whenever we have a upper triangular matrix, this matrix can be written in simple form, and this matrix are in this type, written in this type. So in this type of this equation we can get a value of z. Put this value in the equation y and z, in the equation expression of the y and z, And whenever we get value of z is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, this value are put this equation, so we can get value of x. Note down. Another example. Solve the following system of equation. 3x plus 4y minus z is equal to 8, minus 2x plus y plus z is equal to 3, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. By using the Gauss elimination method, same process by using the Gauss elimination method. So first of all, we make a form, we make a matrix form from the given equation. Form Ax is equal to b. So A is equal to coefficient of these unknowns 3, 4 and minus 1. 3, 4 and minus 1. Here minus 2, plus 1 and plus 1. Here plus 1, 2 and minus 1. X. So these have here x, y and z, 3 unknowns. So matrix of X contains x, y, z, 3 unknowns. B matrix. There here 8, 3 and 2. So we have now a augmented matrix. Augmented matrix A augmented B. So this can be written like this: 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 1, 1, 2 and minus 1. Augmented B, that means 8, 3 and 2. Now we make a matrix. This matrix are transforming into a upper triangular matrix. So first element 3 is a pivot. This is non-zero, so this is a pivot. By using this element, we can make a 0. First element of the second row, this can be 0. First element of the third row, this can be 0. So how can we this and these elements are 0? So first element can be there 3. So in what type of the value are multiply into 3 and add into second row and add into third row? So this element make a 0. So here minus 2 can be there and plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Here 3 and multiply this row, each and every elements are multiplied by 2 by 3. So 3 cancel, so plus 2 will be added there in the first element of the second row. So here minus 2 will be there and plus 2 will be added. So minus 2 plus 2, that means 2 minus 2, that these elements are be 0. Same as here plus 3 and here first element of the third row are 1. So how to make this element 0? So 1 plus positive 1 can be there and here minus 1 will be added. So this element make a 0. So how to minus 1 will be added? So first row are 3, minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 can be multiplied into 3. So 3 cancel, so minus 1 will be remain. This minus 1 will be added into third row. So this element also can be 0. So we write a operation on this matrix. Operations are like first one, each and every element of the first row are multiplied by 2 by 3 and adding this value are second row. Same as first element, each and every element of the first row are multiplied by minus 1 by 3 and add into third row. So this augmented matrix can be there, no changes in the first row, 3, 4 and minus 1. Now making the upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix 3 is a pivot. એવું લખી શકો 3 is pivot which is not 0. So first row, this row are multiplied 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3, that means positive 2, plus 2 minus, this value are added into second row, so changes will be there in the second row. Here minus 2 and add in plus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 0, because of 3 into 2 by 3, that means plus 2, added into second row, minus 2 here and add plus 2, that means 0. 4 into 2 by 3, that means 8 by 3. 1 can be there, so 1 plus 8 by 3, 3 plus, that means 11 by 3. 1, here 1 and minus 1 into 2 by 3, multiply 2 by 3, that means minus 2 by 3. 1 can be there and minus 2 by 3 are added, 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. Here 8 as it is, 8 into 2 by 3, that means 16 by 3, or 16 by 3 are added into 3, so 3 plus 3 9, 16 plus 9 25 by 3. Same process, element of this, every element of this first row are multiplying by minus 1 by 3 and adding this value are R3, so changes will be third row of this matrix. 3 into minus 1 by 3, so minus 1, minus 1 will be added there, so that means 0. Here 2, 4 into minus 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3, 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 4, 2 by 3. Minus 1 can be there, minus 1 into minus 1 by 3, then that means plus 1 by 3 are added, minus 3 plus 1, that means minus 2 by 3. Same as 8 into minus 1 by 3, minus 8 by 3 will be added into 2, 2 minus 8 by 3, 6 minus 8, so minus 2 by 3. Now these two elements are make a 0. Now these elements, whenever these elements make a 0, so remaining a matrix are a upper triangular matrix. So we can, so now second row of the second row, so second element of the second column 11 by 3 is pivot. So by using the 11 by 3, we make these elements 0. So how to 2 by 3 and how to these elements, how to make these elements are 0. Here 2 by 3 positive, here minus 2 by 3 will be added in this third row, so this element can be 0. So minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, that means this 11 by 3 into minus 2 by 11, multiply by 11 by 3 into multiply minus 2 by 3, that means 11 11 cancel, minus 2 by 3 will be added into third row. So R2, every element of the second row are multiplied by minus 2 by 11. Every element of this second row are multiplied by minus 2 by 11 and adding into third row. So changes in the third row, changes in the third row, that means first row as it is, second row will be as it is, and third row 0 into minus 2 by 11, 0 will be added 0. 2 by 3 11 by 3 into minus 2 by 11, that means minus 2 by 3. So these elements can be 0. 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 11. 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 11, that means minus 2 by 33. So minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 33. Minus 2 by 3 can be there and add minus 2 by 33. Sum here 8, here 25 by 3. Here can be elements minus 2 by 3. 25 by 3 into multiply. Second row, every element of the second row are multiplied by minus 2 by 11. So minus 50. Minus 50 upon 33. So here minus 2 by 3 and adding value minus 50 upon 33. Now this expression can be solved and simplification of this matrix form are 3, 4, minus 1, 8, 0, 11 by 3 and 1 by 3. Second row, here 25 by 3. Third row, 0, 0, 33. LCM 33, that means 11, 11 into 2. 11 into 2 minus 22 minus 2, that means minus 24 upon 33. Here 33 elements, 33 LCM, that means here 11 minus 22. Minus 22 minus 50 minus 72 upon 33. So this is an upper triangular matrix form. Upper triangular matrix form. So from the equation 1 we can directly return this. From the equation 1, first row and first column, that means x, y, z. From this equation 1, 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y minus z, comparing this value, so that means 8. Equation number 2. 0 into x, that means 0, 11 by 3, y plus 1 by 3 into z, that means z by 3 is equal to 25 upon 3. Equation number 3. 0 into x plus 0 into y plus minus 24 upon 33 z is equal to minus 72 upon 33. Equation number from. We can directly return this. We can directly return this type of equation from this upper triangular matrix. Now we can simply easily solve this equation. So here z is equal to minus minus plus 33 cancel. So z is equal to minus minus plus 33 cancel, 72 upon 24. 72 upon 24, that means z is equal to 3. Put this value in equation 3. In equation 3, so 11 by 3y plus here 3 into 3, that means 1 is equal to 25 upon 3. So 11 by 3y, 25 upon 3, 1. Right hand side, just that means minus 1. So 11 by 3y, 3, that means 22. 25 minus 3 upon 3, 3. 3 cancel. 11y is equal to 22, that means y is equal to 2. Put y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3 in equation number 2. Equation number 2. So 3x plus 4 into y, that means 2. Minus z, that means 3 is equal to 8. So 3x plus 8 minus 3 is equal to 8. That means 3x plus 8 minus 3, 5 is equal to 8. 3x is equal to 5 is equal to 3. 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. So this type of this equation So this type of the equation can be solved by using the Gauss elimination method. Remember, one thing remember, whenever by using the Gauss elimination method and try to solve this type of equation, you make a matrix, you make a given system of equation are transforming into upper triangular matrix.